I couldn't believe how many Kumamon there are in this room. It's amazing. As you may know, in Japan there are character mascots for everything, and Kumamon is one of the most popular. They're the mascot for Kumamoto. They really are everywhere around Kumamoto, and I even got to meet them, but that's for another video. So to get the true Kumamoto experience, I decided to book a Kumamon themed room. And just a quick reminder that my Kickstarter finishes on Friday. The Japan trip planning decks will be available in my shop afterwards, but it's your last chance to get them at the special Kickstarter price. You can also get my Japan guidebook and my calendar as extra rewards. The calendar has the dates of Japanese festivals in 2025. A big thank you to everyone who's backed the project so far. It really does mean a lot and helps me keep making videos. So now let's take a look around the hotel room and admire all the Kumamon. Then after that, there'll be the practical details like how to book it. Tell me in the comments if you'd stay here and which is your favourite Kumamon in the room. I like these little ones or this round one. I can't decide which is best. We've just checked into our hotel in Kumamoto and we booked the Kumamon room. It is amazing. There's way more Kumamon than I expected. By the way, the reason I look so bad in this video is because I've been walking around all day in the rain. So yeah. This is the new Hotel Kumamoto, which is right by Kumamoto station. To start off with, there's Kumamon on the door. So you know you've got the right room. And the keyring has Kumamon. And here it is, all the Kumamon. This is amazing. There's Kumamon plushies everywhere. This is actually a really big room. I didn't realise it was going to have this extra bit as well. So we've got the bedroom and then there's this little counter, a little dressing room area. And yes, there's the Kumamon bathroom. I didn't expect Kumamon to be in here as well. There's Kumamon conditioner, shampoo and body soap. I didn't even know you could get bottles like this. Amazing. You've got the standard Japanese toilet with all the buttons and all the amenities are Kumamon themed. We've got these Kumamon mugs. This one's cute with the apples. Oh, and the coasters. Wow. There's Kumamon body towels. What's this? Something? Oh, there's a variety of stuff in here. Razor, hairbrush. These are the sorts of things they normally give you in Japanese hotels. Oh, and a hairband, but they're not always in a Kumamon box. That's special for here. It looks like a toothbrush. Yeah, toothbrush and toothpaste, but in a Kumamon box. Makes it all the better. I'm wondering how much of this stuff we're allowed to take with us. Probably not all the plushies, I'm guessing. In the wardrobe, these dressing gowns have little Kumamons embroidered on them. How cute. This over here is a kettle. It's a hot water tap, so you can have as much tea as you want. This is actually really big for a Japanese hotel room. We never normally have this much space. You can relax on the sofa with Kumamon. Have a good dream. So fluffy. There's the TV. We've got a very happy looking Kumamon over here. He's so velvety. And just look at these Kumamon bedspreads. Most hotels have boring art on the walls, but we've got Kumamon enjoying an onsen. He's looking at the sunset at the seaside, and he's at Kumamoto Castle, where we were today. More Kumamon plushies on the bed with moon and star cushions. Oh wow, even the tissues are Kumamon themed. These little ones are cute. What's this one so surprised at? He looks a bit worried. I like this round one. He does have a little fluffy tail as well. We've got Kumamons of every shape and size. This one looks quite shocked. This is something I only just spotted. We've got Kumamon toilet paper. Who knew that even existed? But also, I'm kind of not surprised given how much Kumamon stuff there is here. Happy, smile, lucky. The other thing I liked about this hotel is the view out the window. You can see the train line and the shinkansen, perfect for Japanese train nerds. The hotel also has a little wedding chapel outside. I wonder if you can get Kumamon to do your ceremony. This is a twin room, which was the only option for the Kumamon themed room. The beds look bigger than a normal single bed though. I'm sure that's about the size of some of the semi-double beds in Japanese hotel rooms. When we checked in, they asked if we wanted cleaning every day or the eco cleaning service, which is free. We selected eco cleaning, so we've got some presents. Now we come back to our room. I'm thinking this is probably just towels. Oh, we've got a refill of all the Kumamon goodies in the bathroom. And a new Kumamon rug.
We can surely take some of these with us.
I guess so.
We can't take a rug though.
They must have a lot of Kumamon rugs at the hotel.
Will they miss one?
So if you want to book a Kumamon hotel room, if you go on Kumamon's official website, there's a list of which hotels in Kumamoto have Kumamon themed rooms. There's about 3 of them, and I think there was one in Fukuoka as well, although that might have been just temporary. We chose this one because it had rooms available on the right dates, and it's also really close to the station. It's such a short walk to the station, which is really convenient if you're going on day trips or for when you arrive at the Shinkansen station with your luggage. The main part of Kumamoto is a bit away from here. It's not really close to the station, but you can walk there in about half an hour, or you can get the tram over there. So if you prefer to be near where everything's going on and where all the attractions are, it's better to stay in that area, but this area is more convenient for the station. It only takes 10 minutes to get the tram into the centre where all the shops are and Kumamoto Castle. It's really easy. You can use your Suica card. It's 180 yen per ride, or you can get a day pass for 500 yen. Or there's a special IC card just for Kumamoto, which of course has Kumamon on it. I was tempted to get one, but you can only use it in Kumamoto. I paid £108 per night for the twin room, which I think is pretty good for a special themed room. Hotels in Kumamoto are much cheaper than Tokyo. There are plenty of hotels for between £40 and £70 per night, but I think it was worth it for all the Kumamon. I booked it on Expedia. Just look out for Kumamon in the room types. There are only a couple of these special rooms, so make sure you book it early. I hope you enjoyed looking around this fantastic hotel room. There will be more from Kumamoto and more from Kumamon coming up on my channel, and new Japan videos every week on Thursdays. So I'll see you soon.